Hey guys, it's Scott at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this elf with a face mask. I'm going to go in and base coat him, so I'm using the color Evergreen for the top of his hat. I'm using Rustic Red as shown for the trim detail. I used putty for his face, and then I'm going to just use the color The Gulf for his mask. And everything thus far that I've base coated, I have used a number 12 flat for, and I'm using the one that comes in the brush pack that we sell on our website. And now that everything's dry, I'm going in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and beginning to outline everything. And I will also use this Sharpie marker to go in and fill in his hair. If you want to, you could swap for paint, but since I had this marker and his hair detail is so small, I'm just going in and using that. Once I'm done outlining, I'm going to go in with a number 4 round and the color Cotton, and I'm going to fill in the elastic part on his mask, and I'm also going to highlight everything. And then that will complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.